BBAI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video. As the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos under the belt, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. And ultimately, as I'm just looking at BigBear, I'm just looking to double down on this. So meaning I want to buy, right? So how's this going to look like? Well, it's actually very simple. I'm just waiting for rules, and today the rules have not been met. That's perfectly fine. If I pull out here, you will see how many previous receipts I actually got as well. So much. And with all that to tell you is that unless I see the price giving me this sort of shift here, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy or really do anything. So let's do this. What I ideally want to see is a double break like that. And if that does not quite happen, then I'm obviously not going to buy. So that is ultimately how BBAI is looking like. Not willing to take the trade unless my rules are met. And that's exactly how it's looking like for me. Now, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.